Today's topic for discussion is adverse effects of seed-borne diseases. Seed pathology, it is one of the very important branch because after harvest of the crop, there are many losses of the seeds takes place during storage period because of the growth of several types of fungi. What type of adverse effect occurs due to seed-borne fungi? There are numerous fungi which are easily carried by seeds of different crops or seeds of plant. The fungus may be pathogenic or saprophytic. Several pathogenic fungi which are carried by seed, after germination they produces diseases. And several fungi which are saprophytic in nature, they are responsible for deterioration of the seed during storage period. Pathogenic fungi, they causes disease. Saprophytic fungi, they can grow. Saprophytic fungi can grow on any type of dead organic matter, and they are responsible for deterioration of stored commodities, stored food material, stored grains. The fungus affect the health of seed by causing seed abortion, shrinking of seed, reducing seed size, seed rot, sclerotization, seed necrosis, seed discoloration, reduction or complete loss of germination power, and also causes physiological changes. When the seed comes in contact with the fungus, the interaction of these two causes all these type of changes: reduction in germination power, seed necrosis, seed rot, etc. Let us see. What is seed abortion? The infected seeds turn dull colored and produce masses of fungal spore externally at the time of germination. This phenomenon is called as seed abortion. Example: the kernel bunt disease of wheat, smut of paddy, fall smut of rice, ear cockle disease of wheat. In all these crops, seed abortion has been observed. Next. And another adverse effect of seed-borne disease, that is sunken seeds. Seed get wrinkled or reduced in size. The size and weight of infected seed is always less than the healthy seeds. One of the researchers, that Raut et al. In 1983 reported that the wheat seeds collected from Alternaria infected plants were small and shriveled, so that the fungal infection causes both quantitative as well as qualitative damage to the seed. He has reported like that. What is seed rot? The internally born fungus, the fungus when it occurs inside the seed, that causes rot symptoms. Rot of the cotyledon takes place. The example is Fusarium moniliform. It is one of the fungus that causes seed rot disease of jowar. Drosera oryzae, this is one more type of fungus, seed-borne fungus, which causes seed rot disease of paddy. Okay. Seed discoloration also occurs. The discoloration affects the quality of seed, so it is an important disorder of the seed. The infected seeds can be identified even with this characteristic. The percentage of discoloration depends on the pathogenic microflora of the seed and the environmental factors. Sclerotization. Here the infected seed get converted into sclerotia. Example: ergot of bajra, which is caused by a fungus Claviceps purpurea. In humid environmental conditions, heavy loss of the crop occurs. Next, reduction or complete loss of germinability because of infection of fungus to the seed. The infected seeds by fungal pathogen show reduced germination, reduced viability, longevity and vigor when compared with the healthy seeds. The infected seeds are not vigorously grow and they do not remain for long duration in the field. Viability is reduced. Next, what are the physiological effects of seed when the pathogen enters into the seed? The physiological disorders occur mostly in the stored seeds because of growth of saprophytes or pathogenic fungi. Saprophytic fungi or pathogenic fungi. The fungi produce many types of toxins which make seeds unfit for consumption. Example, Aspergillus flavus produces aflatoxin. Alternaria alternata also produce toxin. And these such infected seeds are unfit for consumption. Bilgrami et al. In 1979, he has reported changes in protein content, changes in amino acids and sugar content of the seed due to fungal infection. Reduced seed vigor have been reported by different workers from world. And another adverse effect of fungus on the seed, that is, initially it can be said that seed-borne fungal metabolites may affect seed metabolism at the cellular level. But Ray Chaudhary in 1973 has stated that the role of seed pathology in the present day agriculture in India is so slow solve the following problems. It can solve the following problems. Number one, problem connected with the import export of seed material or the international plant quarantine. Number two, interstate and inter-regional movement of plant material within the country or the domestic quarantine. Next. Another adverse effect of pathogenic fungus or saprophytic fungus on the seed is that production, storage and distribution of disease-free seed and planting material to farmers is essential to manage the disease, to avoid the adverse effect of seed-borne fungi. Okay, this has to be done. There is need of integrated control of seed-borne diseases to avoid the adverse effect of seed. This has to be done. Problems connected with mycotoxins should be avoided. There is need of more research to avoid the seed deterioration, to avoid the mycoflora from stored seeds. Next. Thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.